I have an 8114P850-60 March 1, 2000 oven and needing model hash to replace the bottom oven heating element. Can you provide the model hash for me?
What's the make and model of your oven? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Maytag Gemini, approximately 17 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. The model number is on a little metal flip-up tab on the back of the control panel. Can you flip the metal tab up and see what the model number is? I should be able to get you a link to your bottom heating element if you can send me your model number.
I am unable to pull out oven now, so we'll have to check later. Thank you.
Okay, sounds good. You don't even really have to pull the oven out, you can just reach behind the panel toward the middle and there is a 6 long 1 inch wide metal tab you can rotate upward to see the model number sticker.
Thank you, got it.
No problem and glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.